في كل مكان.
لازم نموت في غزة عشان في صبحية.
عشان نلعب. وانت من الجوع. انقذونا يا الله انقذونا. كل يوم بدك وجع. امشي يا ارض الله.
لماذا أحكام العرب؟
وين المساعدات تطلع
مجهول لا نعلم ماذا سيحدث.
خشيت يا نتنياهو، والله خشيت يا نتنياهو.
Hello and very warm welcome to Raflims. This is Farooq Hussain. In this hands-on video tutorial, we will learn how we can configure auto notification in Koha library system with Gmail. So we have already made one video to send auto notification in Koha library system through the postfix and the Gmail SMTP server. But in current version of Koha, postfix is not required. We can directly configure Gmail SMTP to send the auto notification in Koha library system. So here in this video, we will discuss that method, how we can actually configure the auto notification in Koha library system with the Gmail. So the first thing first, you need to have a Gmail account, and either it's business account or either it's a personal account or whatever it is. So you need to have a Gmail account, and then you need to perform the two-step verification. You need to go at manage my Gmail account first, and then security, and then have you sign in to Google, and then two-step verification. After setting up two-step verification, you need to set app password in security again, and then ensure that patrons categories. So we will perform all these steps now, and let me open my Gmail here. You can see. So here I go to, not here, here, manage your Google account, and there in security, you need to search app password. See, app password. When you uh, enter this, I mean, when you go to app password, you need to put your password here. And then you need to name the app, for example, Koha notification. And we create this. And now you have these passwords. So you can copy this password. And when you click done, so it has created on that time. And now what you can do, you can copy here. This password. Okay, so now after this, you need to go at your Koha system. So let me save this. And I need to log into my Koha system there on another server machine. So here I am going to connect with my server machine. And there I have Koha library system. Okay. Okay, so here I am on Koha library system, and what I need to do, I need to copy this command line. Okay, so here I have these steps. Work with this. Okay, so what we need to do after this, so we have complete the step one. That is, we have a one Google account, and that is two-step verified, and we have also worked with app password. And now what we need to do in Koha library system, we need to ensure that patterns categories are enabled with yes on the overdue notification. So we need to open Koha library system. Okay, here in administration, we need to check the pattern category. So here we have pattern categories, and we need to see this is actually default one. See, this category is auto enabled with the email. So what we can do, we can check the categories either they are enabled with messaging or not. So we have this category, it's for library staff, and this one is for student. And let's suppose what you want to do, you can actually activate some category. So let's us activate this category, staff one. So here, the very first thing that you need to check here, overdue notice required. So we will say yes. And then what you need to do is to mark check here in emails. So you can actually select all. In fact, you can select digest and date here, I mean days, advance notices. And then you can save this. Now you can see this category updated. And in fact, you can check here. This one, staff one. So it's enabled with the notification. Uh, Now the next thing after doing this, you need to go at the default messaging. I mean, we have done this 2 and 3. Now 4 is actually to go at the system preferences, where in administration, again in administration, and we need to go at the system preferences, and there you need to search messaging. And you need to enable, like this is by default on don't send, so you need to make it send. And you need to allow this, need to show this, and you can see according to the pattern messaging preferences, which we have already set. So this one, and you can save this. So it's already done. Okay, now the next step that you need to do is to open your Koha configuration XML file, and there you need to work with the SMTP configuration. So let me open the terminal here, activate the admin mode, and write the admin password. Editor like gedit, and open the location, I mean the file. There we can actually work with the SMTP server. So we need to find SMTP, and there you will see this is actually on localhost. So we need to change this, and we need to change the port as well. We need to work with the SSL mode, and we need to provide the username, we need to provide the password, we need to work on this, and we need to replace this one completely. So here I have written this. So I'll show you what actually I'm going to replace. So there you can see this is SMTP server, and we have smtp.gmail.com. So if you can see this, mhm, zoom this. Now you can see this smtp.gmail.com as the host. Port will be 587 and timeout 128. Start TLS. So that's actually the mode, not node. Okay. And username, that is I mean, username actually the Gmail. This is my email account. And you need to provide the password. So you can remove these spaces if you want to, or you can work with these spaces as well. And debug is nothing like, so let us copy this. And here you can paste this. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, so we are missing with this. See, it's now here, and save this and close this. Okay, after doing this, we need to enable the Koha email, I mean, and the instance name. So my instance is library. We need to enable this. So here on terminal, let me clear this. So it's enabled email for instance, that is library. And another thing that we need to do, we need to check at the Cron job. So this is actually the gedit. In etc we have Cron tab for Koha common. So we can select this and copy, and we can add this. There you will see this is actually the Cron job, which automatically performed for this um, notification after every 15 minutes. So instead of 15 minutes, it's quite long time. So we can have 1 minute, or we can work with 2 minutes, or whatever the time you would like to. So it will work after that. Now we can go to the Koha circulation module, and we can perform some circulation and transactions, so we can see other emails are sending on not. So here in circulation. Okay, so here we have one patron, that is Shahid Siddiqui, and you need to ensure that he has the email address in his account or not. So when you enter the patron record, either one by one or in a batch, you must ensure that it must be enabled with primary email. So here you can see my email address written, because I can check my email address only. Okay, so what actually we are going to do, we're going to perform one circulation with this patron, and all his categories are activated here. So check out. And now we need to enter the book barcode, which I have written here. Okay, let us perform circulation with checkout. This virtual machine is slight slow um, because we just configure this. Okay, so we have issued this book, and what else we can see? We can check the notification here. You can see the notification. See, it has sent. Okay, so let us perform another circulation. So let's see another pattern, 106, for example. Okay, so here in checkout, you can write the barcode number. Notification, we can see it's in pending. It will take a minute to send. Now it has sent. Maybe you have noticed this from root it at localhost. So you can change this actually. You can go in administration and system preferences. In system preferences, there will be the admin email address. So you can write their admin address. I'll show you after this, but this does not affect on this. Okay, now let us check in one book. Okay, we need to write the barcode here. Right. So we can actually print the slip or whatever. So here in notification and slip, you can actually uh, change the style of notification. These are the default notification, so you can actually customize them according to your need. For example, we have checkout note. So you can see this is checkout. So in checkout, we can actually work with this. We can edit this, and you can actually go to email, and you can actually work with this. It's quite easy, and you can even write the HTML message here, so it will work nicely. So let us go to our email address and let's see either we receive email or not. Here we are at this email. So you can see I have received two emails. One is for checkout and another is for check-in. It's saying and the email address, this is the email address that we have configured, and it's sent email to my default email address to me here. Okay. And it's saying the following books items have been checked in. So you can actually make it beautiful, and you can use some HTML. It's quite easy. Okay, so this is for checkout. So you can see this the same pattern if check out. So you receive, I mean, the same email address. So that's why we are receiving 10 minutes ago and 8 minutes ago. Title is different. So this way we can actually work with the Koha auto notification. It's quite easy. So you can actually work around. And thank you very much for watching Reference. This is Swaroh Hussain.